Custom-designed email marketing is essential for business owners and can hold the key to a successful business strategy. As well as picking the right strategy, identifying the right target group is crucial to successful corporate communication. In turn, this can be used for successful customer relationship management. With the Linus newsletter module in our Cashback Solutions, you now have an easy way to send out target group-specific newsletters to your customers using your business's corporate branding. Let's take a look at a simple example to see just how this works. Start on the dashboard in your merchant lounge and select the newsletter menu. To create a new group of recipients, click on New Target Group. Start by entering a name for this group, for example, Newsletter to Loyal Customers. You will then be able to select this group when sending your newsletter. Because it is important to address your customers personally, you now have to select the desired title for addressing men and women. In the next step, you can use various criteria such as age, date of birth, gender, distance from your store, or shopping style to filter down the target group of customers. This allows you to pick the group of customers who will receive your newsletter. In our example, we will be selecting all Linus customers who have made at least one purchase from your shop over the last 12 months. Using the advanced filter, you can also filter by how long the customer has been a loyal customer. You can also break down groups by customer categories and look for additional information provided this data is available. Once you have clicked Save, the customers that meet these criteria will be shown in a list. By applying our filters, we have created a target group with 168 customers who will all receive the newsletter. After defining the group of recipients, switch to Back to Target Group list. Clicking on to the newsletter tool will give you the chance to create a new newsletter or send an existing newsletter to your group of recipients. In the top right-hand corner, you will find the button Create Email, where you can create your newsletter. On the left-hand side, the Shared Emails and EN for English options allow you to use an existing email template and simply adjust it to your current needs. You will find an empty template under Shared Templates, which you can then design whatever you'd like. For our example, we will use the News template. The second step then involves defining the content of the email. Start by entering a name for the email, for example, Sunday opening. You can then pick a subject and the preview text. The preview text comes after the subject line. You will receive this information by clicking on the info box. The Enter Personalization option for the subject line gives you the chance to use customer data, for example their name, so that you can address them personally. The bottom section allows you to edit the email template. Enter your logo under Your Logo. You can now change the text, pictures and links in the template. We will start by changing the picture. To do this, we right-click on the existing picture and then click Select Different Image. To upload a new picture into the system, click on Browse and find a suitable picture on your computer. Then click on Open to upload it. Once it has been uploaded, complete the process by pressing Done. To change the link in a button, mark the button, right-click it and select Edit Link. Enter the address for the new link under URL. Then give the name a link so that you can track clicks in the statistics. When you are happy with your newsletter, use the preview function and send out a test email. Simply click on Preview/Test Send. A dialog window will open. You will receive a message to let you know that all of the links in the preview are working. Then select which customers you wish to show this preview to. All of your personalized placeholders will be used for this purpose. Under Send Test Email To, enter an email address for sending out the test version. Then click on Test Send to send the email to the address you have entered. You will be notified when the test email has been sent. Use the Schedule Send button to open the wizard for sending your newsletter. Start by selecting a group of recipients, for example, Newsletter Loyalty Customers. The Quantity section shows you that the group contains 168 recipients. In a second step, you can set the time at which you wish your email to be sent. This will give you another overview of the most important specifics, such as subject line, email name, and target group, and show you a preview of the newsletter. Now it is time to set up the sender name and sender address. You have two choices when it comes to sending your email, either sending it straight away or at some point in the future. If you want to send it straight away, simply click on Send in the top right corner to send the newsletter. If you want to send it in the future, click on Future to pick a date for sending the newsletter. You will receive a confirmation containing the send date and a rough number of recipients. Once this information has been confirmed, you will be taken back to the overview. The top section shows you an overview of the number of emails left in your email allowance. Your monthly newsletter allowance is twice the number of loyal customers. You also have 10 test emails each month. You can also order up to 10,000 additional newsletters. What's more, you can also check the last email you edited and check out an overview of your results for the past 7 days. There are 2 tabs at the bottom. The first tab, Emails, shows you a list of emails already created. This allows you to edit and send these emails or send out a test version. The second tab, Sends, gives you a list of emails that you have already sent, including any test emails and information such as sent date, recipients, opening rate, click rate, return rate, and other detailed statistics. Every email in this section has a status. Under Actions in the last column, you are able to cancel newsletters that are due to be sent out. To do this, click on the X symbol. A handy hint: if you want to send a newsletter but use content that you have already created, you can select an email under the Emails tab and use the plus symbol under Actions. This automatically creates a copy of the email which you can then change any way you want. The newsletter module in the Cashback Solutions provides you with an easy way to create newsletters and communicate with your customers anytime you want.